great network event. So you meet the people that are really coping with the same similar dilemmas that we are coping with. So it's really good to expand the network and to hear what they have in store.
We've heard from a couple of projects that are already injecting hydrogen in the ground in commercial pilot projects, and this is super exciting.
Innovation comes from our next generation, from students. And so we have to create a special environment for our students which allow them innovate and accelerate the hydrogen economy at larger scale.
The topics are so different, going from geomechanics to flow physics, microbiology.
We find microbes in these salt caverns.
The other thing we need to be thinking about is the possibility that we can get hydrogen that is being produced geologically, naturally, underground.
I enjoyed the panel discussions, the participation, and even the posters were amazing.
The reason I'm interested is because it's a special summer school. It allows a strong interaction with the industry, small or big, the big player of the energy, but also the small startup company.
No, we actually need all technologies.
As we solve technical challenges, we must now address the role of hydrogen storage in the wider energy system, its environmental footprint and long-term safety. And we have 200 participants here to explore them.
By far, I can say this was the most successful one.
And I look forward for the next one.